Alright guys, I have a brand new Vitesse here. I bought it because these are drop-in replacements for the ABUS padlocks, and I wanted something that was a little bit unusual and a lot more secure than the stock cylinder that came with it. I think you'll agree this Vitesse is it. Look at that keyway. It almost looks like the letter C. Pretty cool. I got this from eBay. There's who I got it from, and the cost on these are, just for the core, is about 69 bucks. Alright, let's see if we can get it picked. Anytime a new lock comes in, I just can't leave it alone. I know. Alright, what I am going to do, see if I can find, I have a tensioner here that usually, it's a nice short thing. It's actually a broken off serrated one. See if I can fit that in there. No. How about this little guy? No. Well, this may be the hardest part of the whole gig. How about this little guy? Okay, he fits, so we'll go with that. That works. And I'm going to introduce a new pick. I have some brand new toys here. I'll just leave him hanging there. These are from Rare Elements, and I cannot read the hieroglyphics, but I'm assured that that is the guarantee that these picks will open it up. I got a Cadabra. All these are in 10 thousandths of an inch, by the way, so color-coded blue. Probably not the right color, but I don't think I'm going to screw up making a mistake on these. I'm going to try this guy. So our tensioner didn't fall out. Let's go ahead and just give it a shot. I'm using the 10,000 because it's the only thickness that I can get to go around that letter C warding. It literally will follow it. Looking for a binder. And I'm just double checking I'm not trying to pick the warding. Okay, good. Fault set. Looking for counter rotation, and there it is. Feels like pin 3. Pin 2, counter rotation, so he's a spool. Oh, lost the fault set. Oh, got it back. Good. And there we go. The ABUS Vitesse, man. Nothing to it. I think the secret here, of course, are the right picks. Anything else would not have gone around that keyway. I'm pretty sure. I know a 15,000. I didn't even try a 13th because I really wanted to try these new 10s. They literally float around there like water around a corner. All right, let me go ahead and lock it back up and just make sure it does work. Yeah, 90 degrees. It's limited. And let's go ahead and pop it open. Oh, man. I hope I don't have to ruin that. It is a brand new lock. Let me move the stuff out of here and get a pinning tray. And then I'm actually going to try to use the right tool for once. All right, I'm going to take this key out just so I don't bump it. And I'm going to try not to overbend that clip, but I may not have a heck of a lot of choice. There we go. He's come off of there. Let me go half old school. How about that? Oh, that's the compromise we're going to make. All right. Now, get the key back. Too small. And too big. ABUS, why do you do this? Everything with ABUS is proprietary. Have you guys ever noticed that? Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use an undersized one. Let me turn it like that so our groove is not lined up with the pins. I'm going to keep them like that, and then I haven't screwed up a gutting in a while, so this is a perfect opportunity. And I got it. There we go. So all 6 of them there. Looks like we have a steel one in chamber 1 and chamber 3. Anti-drills are not there, which for $70 I would have thought that I would get those. Very nice. We have a spool. Standard. 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 Those are tight, guys. These do not want to come out. And a standard. Nothing unusual about that quartz. Look at the sides of that. They're almost like mirror finish. Just beautiful, beautiful work. Too bad it was just so easy to pick. That's the downside here. I did have one unusual pin. This guy in chamber 1. It is not shaped like a key pin, which I find kind of unusual. Oh, there it is. I guess it is a very slight angle on that end as a key pin, but it's nothing like these other guys. Let me hold them up here, see what I'm talking about. See how the one on the left is much sharper? It didn't matter. Just interesting, that's all. And let's see what we got inside of here. Okay, this may be just a little bit more fun than I anticipated, but... Okay, we got a standard, and he's probably going to fall out the back. There he is. Okay, we got a spool. Let's leave them there. Okay, number 3. Standard. He's popping up. Let's get him out of the way. Number 4. Another spool. He's popping up. Wonder why number 1 is the only different one. Let's get him out of there. I'm anal. It bothers me. Okay. Let's flip it around and go from the other side. Ah, very nice. We have a T-pin. It's almost like one of the Master Lock anti-bump. But this is a ABUS T-pin. He's a lot smaller diameter, of course. And the last one looks like another, looks like another one of those T-pins. So they hide the T-pins in the very back. Same on both ends. For $69, I'm a little disappointed in the pickability of this thing. Oop, I don't know where that's, there he is. But it's a lot better than the stock core. I may have to dress this up with some little bit of alien technology of my own, get the tap out, but other than that, I'm going to put it back together, slap it in that ABUS. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal.